So, guys, we are in Dublin and we have one friend, Farhan from Bangladesh. And in this video, we will talk about his journey in Trinity College. So, welcome, Farhan, to the podcast.
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me.
How's your life in Dublin and how's your life in Trinity College as a student?
It's very good. It's my final year, so I'll miss this place a lot.
Oh, that's nice.
But yeah, it's been a great journey so far.
What do you study?
Biomedical science, and I'm specializing in microbiology.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
From Bangladesh, that's nice. And how many Desi students are here from Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan?
Lots and lots.
Lots.
Many
That's
different
nice.
societies as well. We have an Indian society here, so we celebrate Diwali, Holi, and we have many different Desi nights out. So yeah, it's amazing Desi culture here.
So, Farhan, just tell me about if someone from like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, if he have done his bachelor's or if he have done his intermediate, what are the basic qualification required to get admission in Trinity College?
Firstly, you need a 2-1, which is equivalent to a 3 GPA.
Yeah.
You also have to have very good IELTS test exam.
Mhm.
Make sure you know very good English, do some vocabulary, and just have a general understanding of your background. And then if you want to do a master's here, make sure you're very good at the background, the basics, and you will do very well here.
Okay. My second question is that how much cost of living in Dublin?
Oof, cost of living is very high, very expensive,
Okay.
especially the housing. At the moment, we're having a big housing crisis, but I'm sure for students there will be some accommodations available.
Okay. And how much semester fees per semester here in Trinity College?
The fees depends if you're an international student or a student that's living in Europe. If you're in Europe, it will be around roughly 10,000 euros
10,000 euros for undergrad.
undergrad.
Okay. And do you know about the masters?
For masters, as a postgrad international student, it will vary from course to course. However, for let's say computer science, you'll be paying 25,000
25,000 per year or per semester?
per year.
Per year. And how many years of bachelor's and master's degree in Trinity College?
The bachelors are roughly 4 years.
4 years. Okay.
Yes, for all courses almost.
And for master's?
Masters is 1 to 2 year, maximum 1 year.
Okay. And how's the life in Trinity College?
Life in Trinity is amazing. Everyone enjoys it.
Nice. And how's the pressure of your studies here?
Well, this is the best college in Ireland, so pressure is very high.
Okay. What are the things which make this college unique?
The history, the academic performances, and the people that have come here before.
And what three things do you like about this college, and what three things do you don't like about this college?
What I like is the environment, the atmosphere, and the people.
Yeah.
What I don't like is the amount of study you have to do. It's a lot of study. So study, and study.
Okay. So thank you so much for sharing your personal experience of Trinity College.
No problem.
And I hope this video will help those students who wanna move Ireland and they are thinking about to study in best universities of the world. So Trinity is one of the best choice for you. So if you have any queries, you may write in the comments, and do share the video to the students, those who are looking for opportunities abroad. So see you in the next video. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.